Hello everyone, welcome to GVReady Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to the channel, enable notifications so that whenever I will post a new video, you will get immediately notification. You will not miss out the videos. Right, continuously I am uploading the interesting videos on the Selenium topics. Right, those are all very helpful in the interviews. So today's question, right, today's question is, right, how to create take screenshot object. Okay, take screenshot object. Right, a take screenshot instance, maybe how to create take screenshot instance or object. Okay, how to create. Okay, we know that. I will create first WebDriver driver equal to new ChromeDriver. Import it. Then next thing is what? Right, okay, that's fine. Then takes screenshot. Right, take screenshot something ts equal to, we will typecast and then create. Right, why to typecast it here? Right, interview, right, whenever I will also ask any interviews, right, whenever I am also taking interviews, so I will ask why to typecast it? What is the reason? Right, 99% I did not get so far answers correctly. Maybe they have a different answers, but right, why? We will see. Right, why to typecast like this? Right, this is interface. Right, first of all, we'll say this is an interface. Right, how to create the interface object? Right, how to create the interface object? Right, we'll see that. Okay, who is the child class for the right? Right, right. Take screenshot. Who is the child class of the take screenshot? Right, who is the child class? Implemented classes. Right, we can see all these are implemented. A remote web driver, remote web element. These are the child classes. Remote web driver, remote web element. Right, that means, let me copy this. Okay, remote web driver is the child of the implemented class of the take screenshot. Either take screenshot or same thing will be applicable for JavaScript executor also. Same thing will applicable for JavaScript executor also, whatever we are discussing. Okay, remote web driver is the child class for these two interfaces. And then here we will have a web driver also. See, remote web driver is the parent for web driver also. Right, web driver. These are all child remote web driver is the child implemented class for the these interfaces. Then a remote, we know that if you take a remote web driver, sorry, remote web take screenshot if you open, who is the Chromium driver? What are the child classes of the Chromium driver? Chromium driver will implement, if you take the, suppose maybe confusing it is, suppose if you take a Chrome driver, who is the parent? Chromium driver. Right, if you, I will just, I'm also explaining the hierarchy so that we'll get more idea. Chrome driver, parent, this is the, right, like this, and edge also, edge driver. Chrome driver and edge driver are child classes of Chromium driver. Chromium driver, like this it will come. Then Firefox, Safari, all these are directly will come. Right, suppose if you, one second, it got stuck. Okay. Okay, if you open WebDriver driver equal to this. Okay, now the question, right? What is our question? Why we need to typecast it? Right? How to create basically? We know the concept of interfaces. How to create the interface object? If you want to, how to create interface of interface reference. How to create it? By using basically by using the child class object, by using child class, by using child. Right, that means take screenshot. Who is the child class of it? Remote web driver or Chromium driver or Chrome driver, Edge driver, Firefox. We can create by using, we can create object of all these web driver, JavaScript, text screenshot by using all these things. These are all child classes. We can create a object of these interfaces by using all these classes because these are all child classes of it. Right, suppose we'll see now. Okay, I want to create the take screenshot object by using remote web driver. Remote web driver is also a child class of it. Right, we can create, it will not restrict. It will not restrict us. Right, it will create. Then again, if I want to create take screenshot, maybe TS2 by using ChromeDriver, Firefox, these are all also child classes of the take screenshot. So we can also create like this. But why we will prefer to create like this? By typecasting, why we are creating? Right, because what is the issue? Suppose I will create a remote web driver means we require a now grid to set up those things. Right, just we'll see this one. Right, both are fine, but a remote web driver we require a setup, right? Currently we don't have, so we'll see Chromium. Suppose I have created driver equal to new Chrome driver, and also I want a text screenshot, so I have created text screenshot object like this. Now if I execute, right, now I am executing. Now what is the issue? We will get it. Right, what is the issue? See here, two instances are opened. See, two instances are open. Why it is open two instances? First instance is opened by using this, and second instance is this one. But what is our goal? We want to take the screenshot of this driver instance. Right, this driver instance. I don't want to create any new. If we create a new one, right, we cannot get the screenshot of this one. Right, it will create a new browser again. If you create like this, because the new Chromium driver means what is the, it will create a new Chrome driver using default server. It will create a new browser instance. So that is the issue if you create like this. So that's why what we will do, we will typecast, right? We will typecast so that we can cast the existing driver. So we can take the screenshot of the existing browser only. Right, if we create a new one, right, we cannot take the screenshot of the original reference. That is one thing. And also it will create a new browser instance. We don't require any new browser instance. Right, we don't require it. Already we have browser instance is created. We don't require to create again. Just I want to create the reference. How to create the reference? By typecasting. There is also, we cannot typecast. See, this is also a whoever oops concepts. They are confident or know the concept of oops, they only know. Right, we cannot, suppose if we have a class, B class, you cannot simply typecast A to like a object. You cannot create a object like this. right? Simply by typecasting to B. Right, you cannot create the A object by simply typecasting. A is a different class, B is a different class. So if both are different classes, we cannot typecast. There should be some relationship, then only we can typecast. So we can create the parent class, parent interface or class, whatever it is. We can create the parent reference object, parent object by typecasting child. By typecasting child. This is the child driver this is the ChromeDriver instance. ChromeDriver is the child of the TakesScreenshot. So we can typecast and create. It should be in a relationship, otherwise we cannot create it. Right, that is the reason why we will typecast it. What are the disadvantages if we create it? Right, you should know the OOPS concept. If you are strong in the OOPS concept, you can easily explain this topic. Okay, yeah. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share to your friends and subscribe to the channel, enable notifications. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will reply to that. Yeah. Thanks for watching.